expense plan kind of show you that. So again, we can have as many different models as we want. We can have a workforce, a CapEx, office rentals model. So there's just examples. Obviously, revenue is a key driver, but this is an expense planning plan. And there's the classic bottom-up plan, where I can just simply do my uplifts. I'm going to times this by 1.2. I'll drag that across again, very Excel-like, update my plan here. So that's a bottom-up plan, as we said, and again, it's highlighting that impact. But I can do a top-level plan as well. And again, as soon as I went to the top-level plan, notice how that change immediately came across to this report. But I can also sit here and I can do top-level plan adjustments as well. So I could sit at any particular level. So in this particular case, I might change this to an all-entity view. And then I can do an update on a total basis. So I, for instance, might come back to this building lease adjustment. I might come in here and I might want to set a target. So I could set a target, I could do some goal seeking. I want to set this target, but freeze this department in that particular region, okay? Or I could adjust by, something like a percentage. So if I adjust this by a percentage, for instance, 0.01, say 1%, and run that, what it will do is do a spread all the way through my business, right the way down through every level. Through the Americas, in this particular case, into the United States. And then I could go back to my management report and look at the impact of that and again submit. So I could do top level planning, I could do bottom up planning, I could do driver based planning, I could do simple uplifts, percentage changes. Flexibility to do any of those and combine those different use cases.